Hi everyone, this is another project that we made in Japan.
Hello everyone in the cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard, also known as Poor Man.
And I'm Jennifer, also known as Mrs. Poor Man.
And today we're going to show you exactly how we made those mats that we had in the introduction. We went, as you may know, last week we told you that we went on a trip to Japan and we did numerous workshops. Last week we did a glass etching workshop, and if you haven't seen that video and you want to, take a look at this link up here. All right. But as for this one here, today what we did was we created the mat and we weaved on our own using a loom, one of these big old monster loom things.
Back and forth.
Yeah, and it was a mess of fun. So we're going to show you exactly how we did it. In reality, it comes off pretty easy because the people at the workshop, they did a lot of the preparation work, and they put the strings and whatnot that were involved on the vertical lines,
yes.
The vertical strings, and what we did as part of the weaving was doing the horizontal portion of it. So it was a lot easier. It looked easy, but I'm sure there was a lot of work that we weren't involved in at the time. So anyhow, we're going to go ahead and show you what we did there.
If you enjoy our video, please like, comment, or subscribe.
And with that, cue music.
Hi everyone, here we are at Worry Cafe and we're going to go in and challenge weaving today. Let's go in.
Before beginning, we were given the opportunity to choose any color and as many as we wanted. The more you select, the thicker the thread will be for weaving.
Of course, I went with Fresno State Bulldogs, red, blue, and white colors.
Now that we have selected the colors, we need to wind the thread onto the spools. Now let the weaving begin.
What we did was to slide the spool through the threads that are spread apart by the loom. Then you pull back on the bar that compacts the thread.
Now you can slide the spool back in the opposite direction.
For coordinated people like Mrs. Poor Man, this went by very smoothly. For people like me with 2 left feet, it was a daunting task of slide through, pull, switch foot pedals, slide through opposite direction, then repeat again and again and again.
When you run out of thread on the spool, you just reload the spool and continue where you left off. When we reloaded the spools, we chose to use different colors to give the final product a little more pizzazz. Now back to slide through, pull, switch foot pedals, slide through opposite direction, pull, switch foot pedals, slide through opposite direction, and it's surely okay if you say it out loud to yourself.
When we finished weaving a length we were happy with, the vertical strings were cut with a few inches of spare length on both ends.
We then tied the vertical strands in knots and the project was done.
If you ever get a chance to go to Nagano, Japan, check out Saori Weaving at Ori Cafe and give this a try. The links are listed below.
We hope you enjoyed our video this week, but next week we have so many more videos to choose from and we don't know which one we're going to do yet, so it's going to be a surprise. But until then,
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.